When you go to your Printify pop-up store, are you having an issue where it's saying zero available and you click across to your product and it's showing zero available? I was having this problem and I figured out how to fix it. It has nothing to do with syncing the product. I tried clicking, you've probably tried this, where you go into here, you type things, you click publish, you go to sync and you put all these things in and it just doesn't work. It's not that at all. There's a reason why on your pop-up store it's showing zero inventory. Now, here's exactly how you fix it very quickly. You've probably made the mistake that I did. You see published, it says zero available. You're thinking it says zero available, but that doesn't mean there's actually zero available. This here is meant to be in line with sales. So it's published, but it's had zero sales. It actually shows all in stock. The issue is you haven't verified a payout section yet. So you need to go into settings here, and then I'm not going to show you my actual details, but you need to come across and click verification. Once you verify your Stripe account and you click verify and you go through on Stripe, you come back. This is very important. Don't click away yet. You come back to products and then you do that resync and the republish. Otherwise it won't work. So you verify your Stripe, you wait to see this message that says verified and ready to go. You resync it, and how you do that, like I showed you, you click here, you click publish, you click sync. Make sure you click all of those and then click confirm so it resyncs. And then what happens is when you go here and you hit see in your store, all of a sudden you have add to cart, boom, and it works. Perfect, ready to go. I hope that fixed the problem for you. It was something I was struggling with for a day. I hope that helps you out. Hit subscribe.